Hello everybody, welcome back to another Hyundai Point of View drive. Today we'll be driving the 2022 Kona SEL convenience package. This model does come with the 2.0 liter engine. Let's see how it looks. Alright, so as I stated before, we are driving the Kona SEL convenience package. With this package, you'll be getting your wireless phone charging, your heated seat, Blue Link, free for 3 years. This is the all-wheel drive model, so of course you still have your differential lock, which you'll be able to use going below 25 miles per hour, and we covered that in our previous video. So you can go ahead and check that out if you want a little bit more information on all-wheel drive. You will get blind spot detection, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning, backup camera, again with the 8-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, automatic headlights, LED daytime running lights as well, and your different drive modes. So right now we are on the normal drive mode setting. You do have sport mode and you have smart mode. Sport mode is going to be, when you switch it into sport mode, it'll give you a little bit more of that get up and go. So you'll be able to pick up speed a little bit quicker. Also stiffen up the steering wheel to give you better control on the higher speeds. Smart mode is going to automatically change the drive mode for you without you having to do the toggle switch. So if it notices you're cruising a little bit more on the city streets, it'll switch itself to like a normal mode / eco mode. If it notices that you're trying to get a little bit more power, it'll switch itself into sport mode. Now the Hyundai Kona does come with the idle stop feature. So when you come to a stoplight or stop sign, it'll cut the engine to save you some of that fuel economy. When you let your foot off of the brake, it will turn the engine back on, and you can always override that as well with the button down by your gear shift. Just when you turn off the car, it'll automatically default to always be on. Alright, so it's going to drive a little bit different than the Elantra in the sense that, one, you're sitting up higher, so better visibility of the road. Yeah, you have the same size engine, a 2.0 liter engine, and I'll switch it into sport mode right now. So again, opens up the engine a little bit more, give you more of that get up and go. Pretty smooth ride. You don't have to, be uncomfortable when you're driving, which is always a plus. Alright, and as you know, if you already know or if you've done your research, Hyundai does have a pretty tight turn radius, so it'll help eliminate that 3-point turn if you need it. And here's where I will demonstrate the U-turn. So that was the 360 turn on the Kona, 2022 Hyundai Kona. Again, you'll be getting some pretty good features with the SEL convenience package. Of course, you can always upgrade features if you like, or if you don't need all the features, you can always lower as well. All right, everybody, that concludes our video for today. Please leave a comment if you do have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.